In this video, we'll demonstrate how to connect a reservation to a room that has already been checked in. In the navigation bar, click on the G1 Room button to select it. Click on the Check-in Info button in the pop-up to view details for the selected room. Click on the Is Reservation checkbox to toggle the reservation status. The Select Reservation Number pop-up is displayed for the previously made reservation. To select a particular reservation, click the green plus button in the Select Reservation Number pop-up. Click on the Check-in button in the Check-in Reservation modal to finalize the check-in process. Click on the Update Check-in button in the form area. The booking ID has been successfully linked and is now visible on the form. Click on the Print GRC button to print the guest registration card. Review the printed guest registration card for accuracy. The booking ID is shown on the GRC. Following the check-in process, the room was successfully linked to the reservation.